I don't know if you guys can notice, but we got about 2 inches of snow today, so I just wanted to show you guys me in a little covered parking lot. Let's see how the Jetta does. Now this is going to be with traction control off, but for the Volkswagens, at least for the front wheel drive only variants, I have only found that you can only turn off the traction control, not the electronic stability control, or ESP, or ESC. Now that is what they call a J-turn because you are using your front wheels as a not rear wheel drive. Let's see if I can keep it going. It's pretty slippery as you can see. Run into a bit of a problem. I know that you might look at the vehicle now and think, how could it be stuck? Well, I'm not the stuckest I've ever been, and I definitely know I'm gonna get out of this, but right now I am just a little hung up. So let's see how I get out of it. Now I don't know if you guys, sorry about that. Now I don't know if you guys can actually see what wheel is spinning, but I believe it's only this one. My traction control is on, so you would hope that we get out of this. Let's try reverse. Let's see, we did it. Alrighty, and we're off. Now, hello everyone, and this is just a little bit of a traction test. Now, for right now, we are on a little bit of an incline with about 2 inches of snow, and I'm going to try with traction control on to see how long it takes me to about 20 feet, and then the second run is going to be with traction control off and see the most major differences if traction control really helps or if it doesn't. So again, this first run will be with traction control on, or ASR activated. It's just going to be foot to the floor, see how fast I can make it up. Hello, now I've brought everyone out to a hill that I am going to try to traverse in the Jetta, and I would just like to show you guys this hill before we actually do go up it. Now there is about 2 inches of snow on it right now, but it does go down to sand. Now I know that the camera never does a hill justice, but this hill is pretty steep. I definitely don't think that the Jetta is going to do it if I stop, so momentum is going to be the key. Alright, now I was going to just stop right around here and keep going, but after I've got back in the car and I've looked, this is pretty steep, so I'm going to go from right back there and see if I can make it. This first run, traction control on. as you can see, I did have a little trouble getting up the hill. Now there's no ice or anything underneath this, like I said. It's just, I think it's just me driving over it again. It's packed the snow down to make it where it is kind of like ice. But other than that, all I had to do was back down another like couple feet just to get a little bit of a run up. And there's some beautiful gravel right here. So right now we're just driving on a road that obviously has been plowed, but not very well. Oh, whoa. Oh, looks like that there's a tree down right here. Whew. I've been averaging 12 miles to the gallon, thank God. Right now we are turning onto the road that my grandmother lives on, and I wonder if her driveway is going to be plowed. And so far, that is her driveway. It looks like it's maybe been touched, but let's see. What do you think? Do you think the Jet can make it through? Oh, I know it can. Oh, a little bit of spinning. Come on, baby. Ooh, oh, yeah, oh. Actually, you know what? I might be a little, you know what? Maybe not. Let me get out and look at this. Let's try to back down it here. I'm gonna back that down. I've noticed that if you put on the max, it turns on AC for some reason. Look, I'll show you. Max defrost, AC pops on. Why? Never mind, just put that down. Back right up. Oh, and there's another car coming. So let's hopefully not slide out back into that. Ooh, I'm back right out onto the road. I definitely don't think that we'll have a good shot if I go straight. Yeah, I'm not gonna make it. Oh, come on. Right, well this is about as far as we're gonna make it.